Determine the equation of a circle that passes through the point 1, 2 and 3, 0 and cuts off at x-intercept of 7 units. Well, let us begin. So first what we'll do, we'll begin our problem by considering the general equation of a circle. So we have x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So let this particular equation be the equation of the circle which we want to obtain. Equation of the circle. So that means our goal will be to determine the value of the constants g, f and c. So here we start with the first condition, that the circle passes through the point 1, 2. So that means if the circle passes through the point, the other round will be the point lies on the circle and it's going to satisfy this equation, which means we have to replace the value of x with 1 and the value of y with 2. So we get 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 2g times 1 plus 2 times f times 2 plus c equals to 0. So when we rearrange the terms, we're going to get 2g plus 4f plus c equals to negative 5. We're going to label this as equation number 1. Then our circle also passes through the point 3, 0, or we can say this particular point is going to lie on the circle and it satisfies the equation of the circle. So we are going to simply replace the value of x with 3. We get 3 squared and the value of y with 0 to get 0 squared plus 2 times g times x plus 2 times f times y plus c equals to 0. So that's going to give us 6g plus c. This will be equals to, let's add it to 9 equals to 0. So let this be equation number 2. And it's given here that the circle cuts off an x-intercept of 7 units. Now we know that the length of the x-intercept of the general circle is given by the formula 2 times square root of g squared plus minus c. And it's given there that this length is 7 units. That's the x-intercept value. So here what we can do, we can solve this equation. So we are going to get g squared minus c equals to 49 over 4. So this is going to be our third equation. Now what we'll do, we will use 2 and 3. Now what we can do, we can use equation 3 and isolate c from here. So c will be equals to g squared minus 49 over 4. Fine. Now what we will do, we'll substitute the value of c back in equation number 2. The 2 is going to become 6g plus g squared minus 49 over 4 plus 9 equals to 0. Fine. So we get 6g plus g squared. So negative 49 over 4 plus 9 gives us negative 13 over 4 equals to 0. Now we'll multiply throughout by 4. So that gives us 24g plus 4g squared minus 13 equals to 0. And or we can simply get 4g squared plus 24g minus 13 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation in g. So if we factorize it, then we are going to get 2g minus 1 times 2g plus 13 equals to 0. So solving this, we get two values of g. G could be equals to half or g could be equals to negative 13 over 2. So now we're going to use the value of g equals to 1/2, which means the value of c must be equals to half whole squared minus 49 over 4. So when we solve this, we're going to get the value negative 12. And when g comes out to be negative 13 over 2, then the value of c will be equals to positive 30. So what we can do, we can use equation number 1. So we already have the equation number 1. So let's note it down. So here we will use g equals to half, the value of c equals to negative 12, and we'll substitute this to get the value of f. So we have 2 times half plus 4f minus 12 equals to negative 5. That gives us 4f minus 11 equals to negative half. So 4f will be equals to 11 minus 5, that's 6. So f will be equals to 3 over 2. and we're going to use the other value. So g, when it's negative 13 over 2, as c value with positive 30, then we have 2 times negative 13 over 2 plus 4f plus 30 equals to negative 5. This gives us negative 13 plus 4f plus 30 equals to negative 5. So 4f plus 17 equals to negative 5. So 4f will be equals to negative 22, or f value comes out to be negative 11 over 2. Fine. So now we have all the values g, f, and c. We can do is substitute this into our general equation. So let's use when our g value is half, then the corresponding f value will be 3 over 2 and c will be equals to negative 12. That means the equation of the circle is going to be x squared plus y squared plus 2 gx. So g will be 1/2 times x plus 2 times fy. So f is 3 over 2 times y plus c. So c is negative 12 equals to 0, which means we are going to get the value x squared plus y squared plus x plus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. So this is going to be the circle, and we have another condition. We have g equals to negative 13 over 2. We got the f value as negative 11 over 2. We have the c value as positive 30. So we get x squared plus y squared plus 2 times g. So g is negative 13 over 2 times x plus 2 times f, which is negative 11 over 2 times y plus c. So c value is 30. That's equals to 0. We get x squared plus y squared minus 13x minus 11y plus 30 equals to 0. So these are the two circles. Both of the two circles is going to have an x-intercept of 7 units, and they're going to pass through the points 1, 2 and 3, 0. So here I've used Desmos to plot the graph of the two circles. So the red circle is going to be denoted by this particular equation, and we have the other equation which is denoted by the blue circle, and we can observe here that both of them is going to have an x-intercept. So this is going to be the x-intercept of the red circle, that's 7 units, and the x-intercept of the blue circle is also going to be 7 units, and both of them are going to pass through the points. One is going to pass through the points 3, 0, and the other one is going to pass through the points 1,